Welcome back. We're happy to have you join us again. We've got a few more things done on the boat, and we've started working on the electrical system again. And it's looking a lot better than it did. It's simplified where there's not so many wires just laying around looking like a spaghetti mess. I think he did an awesome job getting it all organized and looking better. He started working on the electrical panel, and I thought it was looking really good. So I'll let you just see some of the work that he did. To my ears, a running motor. We had to rebuild the old one rather than buying a new one because it was very expensive for a new one to get a new one and have it installed. So that's gonna be on the back burner for a little bit, but we do have a running motor. So one more step closer to the water. Not showing that because I have a family member that doesn't want to be on camera, and that's okay. But we so appreciate his help. He's awesome. And that's all we have for you for today. I hope you come back and join us again for another adventures of Sloop-D-Doo.